One of our seasonal foods in the fall is pears. So I wanted to show you a great healthy breakfast shake that you can make that's using pears, and it's high in protein too. Let's take a look. We're going to call it the pear coconut shake. It has 2 pears, 1 cup of coconut water, 4 ounces of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of coconut nectar, and just 4 to 6 ice cubes. We're going to blend it on high and enjoy it. You ready? First thing we're going to do here is we are going to take our pears and we're going to skin them. Okay? So you're just going to skin your pears. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just skin all the skin off. If you want to leave the skin, you can. Make sure that you wash them first. You want to make sure you've got washed produce because you don't know who's been touching this and the dirt. So you want to clean them all off, and then you're just going to skin it and you're going to start cutting it. Okay? This is a nice ripe pear. You want it to be ripe so it's full of natural sugars. You're just going to cut it up like this, and you're going to add it to your blender. Now that we have our pears all cut up, we're ready to add them to the blender. So we just put them in the blender. So we've added our pears. Now we're going to go and add 1 cup of coconut water. Next, we're going to add 4 ounces of plain yogurt. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut nectar. If you want to use any other sweetener, you're welcome to, like agave or honey. I like the coconut nectar because it's low glycemic. Finally, we're going to add some ice cubes, about 4 to 6 of them. And then we're going to snap on the lid and we're going to get it started blending. We're just going to blend for 1 minute. Look at that beautiful shake, and it's so healthy. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. If you wanted to even add some spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, I bet that would be delicious too. I like it simple myself. Let's pour some and try it out. Yum. Cheers. The perfect blend of flavors right there. Pears, yogurt, agave, any sweetener you want, and it's just perfect temperature too with just a few ice cubes. You try it.